At Yamaha, we put a lot into our 21-foot boats because we know you put a lot into our 21-foot boats. With the best-selling boats in the category, Yamaha offers the kind of premium features you would expect in a more luxury model in a value package. Featuring class-leading space and storage, twin Yamaha marine engines, and an upgraded Connect touchscreen Helm control system, you'll feel like you're driving one of our larger models. Because we believe you shouldn't have to pay a premium price for top-of-the-line features like a portside entertainment system, customizable bow seating, and quiet cruise technology. As one of the most feature-rich lineups in the 21-foot market, the SX210, AR210, 212 Limited, and 212 Limited S are sure to please every member of the family.